Very nice, Bahrain, says Kruger online. Right, here we go. Don't go anywhere. The first of 3 Rwandan teams that will cross that start line as the sun sets here in Dubai. They train together. They will set the benchmark for the Rwandans. Put your phone on silent. On the traverse wall, up into the attic entry. Remember, the record holders are Rwanda, SWAT Team 1, Peace Team 1, 346 last year, that's the target. Listen to the support. Over the football, they've all got to touch the bell. Here we go, he's locked in. The man at the bottom was already up and on him before he'd even got his arms under that yellow bar. That's how you do it. Balance beam must touch the yellow painted ends of that balance beam. Make it look so easy. Monkey bars, ninja boards, the sand pit, the cargo net being dispatched with ease. Over the top of that cargo net. They have to climb up and climb down. They're not allowed to throw themselves over the cargo net. Remember, the fastest time so far today, Uzbek police, 4 minutes flat. We've done 2 minutes here with the Defence Force of Rwanda. There's 1 across, 2 across, 3 across. 2 still to go. Was it 3 still to go? Yeah, there's 3 still to go. There's 2 of them that are on that barrel at the moment. There you go, 1 remaining. His colleagues are cracking on and not hanging around. There we go. They make it look easy. Fireman's Tower. Look at them go. Traverse rope. Is he the first? This is going to be tight. Will they cross the line quicker than the Uzbek police? I'm not so sure. They've got a lot to do inside 30 seconds. Irish table, and look at them cheering. They're going to miss out on that 4-minute mark of the police of Uzbekistan, but I think this will still be the second quickest time today. Over the wooden wall. And a sprint across the finish line to stop the clock in 4 minutes 20 flat. Defence force of Rwanda lay down the benchmark for